Hi, folks. Thank you. Let's talk about Apple. Let's talk about the Apple trade. Why do we short Apple? Well, Apple has been in this confirmed channel for a long time. It is respecting this channel on an uptrend, right? The market technically is always going up, but it goes up in waves. That's why we got in trading, so we can trade the waves, right? So we got to the top of the channel. By default, on the long period channel, on the daily, on the weekly, you can probably get a little zoom in a little bit more, right? Get a better view of it. By default, that is a trade in itself, at least for me, right? Top of the channel being respected, I'm going to short that every time because why? It pulls back, right? It may step out, but it pulls back, steps out, pulls back, goes down to the bottom of the channel, ride it back up. This has been a long ride up here. And this is the Liberation Day drop where Trump first announced tariffs, and that's what caused a drop there. We've been, aggressively moving up. You create this, what I call a double trend top. What this is right here, and it's rejecting it back inside the channel. This is technically a bear rally up, right? So you get your bear flag, and basically on a weekly chart, daily chart, same thing. And I'll pull down to the daily chart in a second. We shorted up here. We got all of this. Okay, 275. Put the put on for 275. Long term was out there till May. We got it early. We hit 260 was the target. Got a little below that today, but we got out of 260. We're good. We're not touching this. We made a lot of money on this trade. We did very well. Now let's go down to a daily chart to show exactly where we at because we always do it off of the daily. Now, you're below what? The 100-day move. This is the 100-day moving average here. This orange line. You're below. You came up, retested, and zoom in a little bit more so you can see this. You came up and retested the 21-day moving average. This is right here. Okay. This is the 100. And you're below the 50. This is extremely bearish. At the top of the trend channel, you're rejecting and coming down. So we had anticipated this may come down to 260. This is TP2. TP1 was up here at the 260. TP2 was 255. We got close. We're already out because we've got in the 275, got a good entry. So I'm looking for more downside. I'm actually looking for this to come down to the 200-day moving average. Right now, it's currently sitting around 243, which is another TP. But ultimately, we want to see the trend as I zoom out here, a little to a weekly chart so you can see this a little bit better, to come down to the bottom of this trend, right? And then we bounce from there, okay, if we bounce from there. But right now, you're still up in the upper area of the top of that trend channel and expecting this to go down further. This was the Apple trade. We're out of that trade now. We did very well in that trade. You want to learn more about this, how to recognize these patterns. Technical analysis is what we do, what I do inside the Discord. You can join. All the information is below. You guys take care. You have a great evening. Talk to you later. Bye. Hi, folks. Hank from SixFourTrading. If you like this type of content, and if you want to trade with me live in my Discord, there's a link in the description below. I hope you guys trade well, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Take care.